Imagine this. The Earth, the planet beneath your feet, suddenly stops spinning. Not for an hour, not for a minute, just 1 second. Sounds harmless, right? But that single second would unleash destruction on a scale no human could survive. Right now, the Earth spins at over 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a bullet train, especially around the equator. You don't feel it because everything, the atmosphere, oceans, and you, are moving together at the same speed. But if the Earth suddenly stopped, you wouldn't. And that's where the nightmare begins. In that one frozen instant, everything not anchored to bedrock would keep moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour, sideways. Cars, buildings, oceans, people, all would be hurled eastward with unimaginable force. The kinetic energy released would equal billions of nuclear bombs going off at once. The atmosphere itself would keep spinning, turning into 1,600 kilometers per hour winds that shred everything in their path. Continents would be scoured clean. The oceans would surge across land. The surface of the planet would become unrecognizable. Within seconds, the friction from the atmosphere and collapsing terrain would ignite global firestorms. Tectonic plates would shift violently, triggering worldwide earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. And then, silence. The Earth would begin to wobble, no longer perfectly round, with oceans rushing toward the poles. With no spin, gravity would pull water toward the poles, drowning cities like London, New York, and Tokyo under kilometers of water, while the equator would dry into vast deserts. If somehow the planet survived the shock, days would now last an entire year. One side of Earth would face the sun for 6 months, burning at hundreds of degrees, while the other froze in endless night. The atmosphere would collapse toward the cold side, forming massive storms and permanent ice caps. The planet would become a wasteland, half desert, half frozen tundra. The good news? Physics says this can't happen, not naturally. The Earth's rotation is stabilized by its massive angular momentum. To stop it suddenly, you'd need energy equal to the entire gravitational binding force of the planet. Even a massive asteroid couldn't do it. The Earth might tilt or slow slightly, but a full stop? Impossible. Still, scientists say the planet is very slowly slowing down, about 1.7 milliseconds per century, thanks to the moon's gravity. So in a few billion years, Earth days may be slightly longer, but will be long gone before it ever matters. So no, the Earth won't stop spinning anytime soon. But the thought experiment reveals something profound. Our lives, every sunrise, every wave, every breeze, all depend on this constant, invisible motion. We're passengers on a planet in perfect motion, and even a 1-second pause would end everything we know. So next time you feel the wind or watch the clouds drift, remember, that's the Earth's heartbeat. And as long as it keeps spinning, so do we. If you love exploring the science behind impossible what-ifs, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more mind-bending science stories. Because sometimes 1 second is all it takes to change everything.